This is why you should be here. Throughout this series, we are going to be exploring the world of electronics. We are going to create our boundaries and push them to their limits. We are going to understand concepts and learn in depth about them in a fun and easy way. We are going to make fun and easy projects that are going to make Tony Stark jealous. Hey guys, this Vaishak from Sparkplug, and today, I am gonna be giving you an intro on basic electronic terms. First, to understand electronics, we need to learn about something that we are all made of: atoms. Atoms are the basic building blocks of everything around us. It consists of positively charged particles called the protons, neutrally charged particles called the neutrons, and the negatively charged particles called the electrons. The protons and neutrons are confined inside the nucleus of the atom while the electrons revolve around it. Now that we have learned about the atoms, let's now learn about the basic terms. To understand this better, we can take the water system in our house as an example. The big tank on top of our house is like the battery. A battery is a device whose chemical reactions create a flow of electrons in a circuit. In order to complete the circuit, we need something that lets electrons to move. Just like a pipe which does that job in our water system, a conductor does that for us. Now, we should be having some kind of term for the flow of electrons, right? The flow of electrons is known as current. Now the next question is, how do electrons move from one end to the other? In our water system, gravity or the pump takes care of that. Similarly, a force called voltage acts on the electrons. A tap is used to restrict the flow of water. Similarly, a resistor is used to restrict current. We are going to be learning about the working of these components in the upcoming videos when we use them. Feel free to give us your valuable suggestions in the comments section below. Please do like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I will meet you guys in the next video. Until then, it's Vaishak signing off.